Like, why is Daniel on the You're video chatting with yourself?
Yeah. Well, because it says that Skype can do this, or that Jing can record something like this.
Oh. So Jing can record video? Or like
Yeah, I guess so.
record a video of a video? Does it seem to be working?
Well, it's running here.
Microphone audio. So if you're out here and you're talking, it's picking you up here. It's coming in presumably on your speakers there, and then you're picking up that end of the conversation and feeding it back in.
Yeah, how does that work? Does Katie know? Katie Lewis?
I'm not sure. Alright, I'm gonna hit stop.